Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen for 7th April 2021. So this video and analysis is for 7th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 8th April. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the present chart of US dollar Japanese yen. As we can see right now, the market is trading below the 50 moving average. Okay, and market is trading at 109.74. This is the current price of the US dollar Japanese yen. And as we all know, the overall trend of the pair was very much bullish for the last couple of months. It was in very strong uptrend. Okay, then after that, it went into consolidation around 2-3 weeks back, and after that it went up again. Okay, this was the consolidation phase, and just look at the up run again. So right now we can see that market is again coming down. Okay, so it's the present picture of the market. And if you have watched my previous videos, then I told you that though overall the trend of the market is very much bullish, but things are about to change. And yes, look at this chart right now. This is the weekly chart of USD JPY, and as you can see, uh, right now, when market has reached the resistance zone previous week, and after that there was some price rejection from above. And this week we can see that after the price rejection from above, as market has already entered into the resistance zone, market could not break through, and as a result price came down, or price is coming down, and market is right now just standing at this support again. So there is resistance above and support below, and market is caught in between. So here you can see that I have drawn two lines here. Okay, so this is the resistance on the weekly chart, and this is the support on the weekly chart, and market is right now caught in between these two levels or these two lines. So what should be our strategy then? If you are a safe trader and if you want to go long for a week, or say 10 days, 15 days, then this is not your trade. Okay, you can avoid this trade right now. But if you're looking for some short profit or day trading kind of profit, then you can have some opportunities here. First of all, your first opportunity can be right now here in this level. As I've already mentioned, this level has got support in the weekly time frame. So if you see that market is about to if market bounces from here, it seems that market may bounce a little from here, because market is already in oversold zone. So market is oversold. Secondly, market is in support. Okay, so considering these two factors, there is a possibility that market will bounce from here. And I'm not saying that this will be a breakout. Okay, this is just be a bounce that may give you some quick profit. And if you want to take some risk, then you can go for a buy order here. If you see that market has formed a big candle, or market has really bounced from here, then you can go for a buy order at this level to make some quick profit only. Okay, to make some quick profit, because the market is in a range right now. I have already mentioned that. And second, your second opportunity can be above this level. But do remember, if you enter above this level, okay, if you enter here, then this will be your exit, because market has resistance on the weekly chart. And as I already always say, weekly chart is the time frame of the big players. Okay, so we should not mess with the higher time frame. So as market is in a range right now, so be very careful. If you want to avoid USDJPY, you can easily avoid. Okay, there are plenty of currency pairs available where you can trade. If you want to avoid, you can avoid, but if you want to make some quick money, okay, then you can take a small risk here. But yes, again I'm telling, this position is not that safe. Okay, be very careful. Do not trade without confirmation. Confirmation in the form of a green candle like this, or a good price rejection. Already we have seen that market is seeing price rejection from below. Okay, still we need far further confirmation. Okay. Once you get a confirmation and you're sure that yes, market is about to bounce from here, then only you should go for a buy order here. Otherwise, if you want to avoid, you can avoid. So this is the analysis and strategy for US dollar Japanese yen for 7th April. Hopefully you've understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.